You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word from Italian. This is the number 7. If you want to learn how to count, basic counting in Italian, make sure to stay tuned. So let's look at the Italian pronunciation first, and then we'll get to English. Sette. Because you have a double T, you want to make the T sound twice as long and stress on that T. Sette. Sette is how it's pronounced in Italy. So in English, you cannot pronounce Italian perfectly. Sette, 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 or Italian, sette. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.